Welcome back everybody to another episode, and in today's episode I just got my Warriors Tackle Supply box in the mail, and we're going to be going through everything that's in this box, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. If you guys are new to the channel and you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, make sure you turn on the bell notification. At 5,000 subscribers guys, we're doing a rod and reel combo giveaway, so if you haven't subscribed and you want to be entered in it, I will stop right now, pause for a minute, and you guys can go hit that subscribe button. Don't worry, I'll wait. Alright, now that you've done that, thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. If you've already been subscribed, like I said, 5,000 subs, we're doing a rod and reel combo giveaway. Enough talking about that, we're here to talk about the box and what we got in it today. If you guys have never heard of Warriors Tackle Supply, they're just like the other box subscription companies, like Mystery Tackle Box, Lucky Tackle Box, Monster Bass, things like that. We'll link them down below in the description if you want to go check out their website and pick yourself up a nice juicy box full of baits. Let's open this thing up. Alright, so the first thing you get in here is obviously your card, and this thing just has what the prices are of each bait and how much it totals out to and what you got. So the first thing we got here is a crankbait. Now this is more of a natural crankbait, and this is actually by Warriors Tackle Supply. They actually make their own baits as well. So this one is a chartreuse, like blue and chartreuse one. This one will work good. It's a square bill. It'd work good in clear water situations, so excited about that. Can never have enough square bill crankbaits. Next thing is a Lunker Hunt Cottonmouth. This looks like a popper. It's a blue popper, top water action, rattles. This thing looks really nice actually. I'm really excited to try this out for some smallies, early morning situations and whatnot. It'll work good. I really like using poppers, and I really like the color on this one. This one is a rattle trap, guys. It's a purple and chartreuse one. Probably not the best for like the dirty water I fish around here, but clear water situations you could use it, and lipless crankbaits are just great baits all around. The next thing is another square bill crankbait from Lunker Hunt, Shock 2.5. This is red in color, that kind of that crawfish style color. Really good crankbait, like I said. You can never have enough crankbaits in the box. It'll probably work really well for your smallmouth. The next thing in the box, guys, is it's from Warriors Tackle Supply. It's called a Bug 1. They just have on here. It's a top water lure. I took it out of the packaging right now because I want you guys to see this. This is a really unique bait. I think it'll work really good for smallmouth and for crappies actually. So I'm actually pretty excited to see. I've never seen anything like this, so I'm really excited to show you guys this. It looks really cool, and I'm really excited to try it out. So this is what it is. It's the Bug. If you guys can see that, it's just this tiny little bug lure, and it's colored really cool. I don't know. It looks like it would be really good for smallies and crappies, guys. One of those kind of micro bait style things. I'm actually really excited to try this out and see how well this thing works. It rattles a little bit, but like I said, I'm pretty jacked to see. I've never seen anything like this, so that's pretty cool. Another thing with these subscription-based companies is when you're at the store and you're looking for lures and stuff like that, there's going to be stuff that you're going to see that you're like, man, I don't know, like, you know, you just don't want to spend the money on it and try it. And that's kind of the nice thing about subscription companies or box companies. No matter which one you go with, is you know that you're going to get stuff in there that you normally wouldn't use. So it kind of broadens your horizons, gets you to try something new and see what happens. And then the last thing in here, guys, is a Warrior Tackle Supply sticker. The last time I got a face, like a face shield with it, so I got a sticker this time, which is pretty cool. So altogether, I got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items with this box. Next, guys, this is the standard box. If you guys would like to see the Pro box, drop it in the comments below, and then I can talk with Warriors Tackle and see if they'll send me a Pro box. So if you guys would like to see what the Pro box contains, just go ahead and drop it in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do. So like I said, guys, if you want to pick yourself up a box, start out with maybe a standard box and whatnot, go ahead. I threw a link to it down below. If you'd like to go check out their website, I suggest you guys go check it out, see what they have to offer. They have different boxes and different species of fish that you can go for. So I highly suggest you guys go check them out. Father's Day is right around the corner, so if you know, you're looking for something else for your for a Father's Day gift, just tell the old lady, you know, pick me up a Warriors Tackle Supply box. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Tomorrow I'm going to be out fishing, so on Wednesday you'll see the video of that. I'm going to take these lures out and maybe try to do a challenge with them, see if I can catch a fish off of each one. We'll see what happens. I'm going to try a different lake with the old minnow and see if we can get on a juicy bite. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, keep fishing hard.